Kurerikana kwina makiria ma macini 10,000 iria irehetwo kuma bũrũri-inĩ wa China cia muthako wa kamari iria kuratuika ekinai aingĩ marahũthĩra kwĩhithania thutha wa gũtabania ciĩko cia wĩkinaĩ mwena wa Kitengela kaunti-inĩ ya Kajiado. Kurumirira firigisheni iria ikoretwo igithie na mbere makiria ma macini igana rimwe ni cihithukitio ni maabithaa a borithi.
We have started the crackdown, but we wanted to have a common approach. That is why we have called for this meeting to ensure that we are moving together, we are reading from the same page. And of course, we have also discussed more other issues touching on security within this county.
Kamicina wa kaunti David Kipkemei niaheanite mukaana wa mathaa 48 kuri maabithaa borithi aria othe maronjorithia biacara cio kuhitukira muthako wa kamari ukorwo mahingite ciuthi icio narua ta uria kwahotekeka.
Tunajua hata kuna wengine ambao wako na mabaa, kuna wengine pia wako na hata hizi machines, na hayo yote tumejadiliana na tumekuja na njia moja kuhakikisha kwamba tumeishughulikia vilivyo.
Kipkemei nioretie macifu mwena ucio guteithiriria kuhurana na ciuthi icio na aria mekunyitikana mwero makinya marumu ma kiwatho. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.